Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the fifth puzzle. It's a binary puzzle. This one, binary puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Monday, August the 31st, 2020. The fifth puzzle is a binary puzzle, and this one is number, let me see, number 143 and 9. Yes. And before I start, I always count what kind of binary puzzle is this. Counted boxes. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. So let's get started. Double one, here and O, then O. Double one, here and O, then O. Double one, here and O, then O. Double O, here and one, then one. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here and one, then one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here and one, and then one. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then we have here 3 ones. If I place the 4th one here, then we have 3 O's in a row, in this row. Not allowed. 3 O's in a row is not allowed. One of the rules. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Between 2 O's comes a 1. Then between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Then 3 ones in this row. If I place the 4th one here, then we have 3 O's in a row. Not allowed. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. 3 O's in this column. If I place the 4th O here or there, then we have 3 O's, 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed. So this cannot be an O, or this, or that box cannot be an O. So these two should be an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double one, here and O, then O. Double O, here and 1, and then 1. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here and 1, then 1. Double one, here and O, then O. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then. Yeah. 3 ones in this column. If I place the 4th one here or there, doesn't matter where, we have here 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed. So these 2 boxes should be an O. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double one, here and O, then O. Double one, here and O, then O. 4 O's in this column, so the rest are 1's. 4 ones in this row, so the rest are O's. Double O, here and 1, then 1. We have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. 4 ones in this row, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's in this column. 4 ones in this row, so the rest are O's. 4 O's in this column, so the rest are 1's. Then we need to compare. Yes. Need to compare. The 101. Do we have a 101 here? No, so we need to compare the columns. 1. Do we have a 1? Yeah, only here. No, it's not the same. Double O here. Do we have a double O here? Yes. 1. Yes, this one I can compare. And the first column. O, 1, 1. Empty box. O, 1, 1, 1, 1. So I need to switch these two numbers. I cannot have identical columns or rows, so I need to switch those numbers. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 6 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you soon in a minute with the last Sudoku. It's a tectonic one, aka Sudoku in Japanese. So see you later, and bye bye for now.